Today we are going to discuss about the difference between trend and style. Many people think that both the terms are same, but actually they are not. There is a remarkable difference between being trendy or being stylish. Being trendy means you are following trends which are introduced into the market by the fashion industry. So that means a trendy person's wardrobe is full of trendy clothes and they keep changing as the flavor of the market or flavor of the fashion changes. Now these trends are formed by different ways. For example, if a celebrity or powerful influencer have endorsed a particular outfit or a top designer have promoted their key looks. So being trendy means you are a follower. Now being stylish is very different. People with strong style statements are people who believe in something and their clothing reflects the same. For example, they might be believing in health and fitness, art, culture, heritage, religion. The list is long, but they are going to dress up according to the kind of belief that they have. Let me tell you by an example of our Honorable Prime Minister. He's one of the most handsome and stylish politician that India has. And if you look at how he dresses up, you can understand that he believes in Indian culture. So, in all his public appearances, he will only wear clothing that reflects the myriad colors of Indian culture. Their garments are not inspired by trend or what people are wearing. I know as a designer that with his muscular personality, he's going to look dapper in elegant formal suits or urban streetwear, leather jacket, but he's never going to dress up like that. These pictures have just been made for visual reference. We can also infer that his style is so strong that trends are formed on his looks. Let me quote another example of a popular celebrity who is smashing the Indian celluloid by his electrifying energy. Yes, Ranveer Singh. He is redefining the rules of menswear with his edgy, bizarre, gender blurring and eclectic belief of clothing styles. Due to his powerful image, he has become a trendsetter but not a trend follower. Why do we call him person with strong styling? Because he's wearing different kind of clothes. So we really have to see that his belief in clothing always comes from the kind of role that he would be doing in the next movie. And all his clothes reflect the same. So when he was doing Gully Boy, he embraced the vibrant hip-hop street ghetto look, which was different from his Bajirao Mastani look, where he appeared in outfits inspired from the Indian heritage. We should also know that all his public appearances are kind of his movie marketing strategy. So we can conclude by saying that people with strong styling have strong visual identity. They do not depend on following trends and how fashion is moving. They have their own belief and they dress up accordingly. And when they are very powerful, they become trendsetter for others. Their belief in one kind of style makes them easily identifiable. Whereas the trend followers love experimenting with their visual imagery and are in the process of discovering their own style.